Hi guys, a very good morning and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And today let me run this program against the face of the struggle, Madzibaba, veshanduko. I'm inspired by this young man because he's one of the most principled and focused uh, change champions in the nation of Zimbabwe. Madzibaba veshanduko is well known during the MDC days, vachipfeka magemenzi red, supporting the struggle, supporting Advocate Nelson Chamisa. Moving across Zimbabwe, he didn't miss any rally, and he managed to campaign in a different style for the opposition. That particular moment is a man who was just a supporter. He held no position within the opposition structures, but he moved around with his own money, making sure that he was part of the struggle. So then we move fast forward to the Triple C. Madzibaba veshanduko migrated from red to yellow. He invested so much in the yellow regalia, and this shows the commitment he carries for the struggle in the nation of Zimbabwe. During the liberation struggle, we had people like Madzibaba veshanduko who were so eager to take the risk to make sure that there is change in the nation of Zimbabwe. And during our struggle for the liberation of Zimbabwe, the second liberation of Zimbabwe, he is there, standing in style with the people of Zimbabwe. Fast forward to 2024, Triple C is stolen and decimated by idiots. Then Madzibaba veshanduko is now moving with the blue movement. No yellow regalia anymore, but now exclusively blue regalia. So this is courageous, and this man is worthy to be celebrated because he is one of the few faces of the struggle, the true faces of the struggle. During the Triple C days, Madzibaba veshanduko was working in Harare, going about his own duties, or his was having his own journey, going to where he was supposed to be going, fully in his regalia, is always traveling across cities. This is a brave man who braved or who risked his life for the sake of change. And then he was abruptly arrested by some men who were identified in some videos. And he was tortured during that arrest. He had to be admitted at a local hospital. And I believe that he's still in court facing some charges which are unknown about their origin. This is Madzibaba veshanduko for you. If we do not celebrate our own, if we don't appreciate our own, no one is going to do it for us. This is one of the few men who stood their ground to fight for democracy in Zimbabwe. A man who sacrifices to leave his family in Mashonaland Central there, to move around the country for the sake of change. That is great sacrifice. So we are living in a moment of great sacrifice and commitment to the struggle, and is one of the faces of the struggle. So let us support him, let us embrace him, and let us continue to compliment people like Madzibaba. Let us pray for him. I pray that one day change will come to the nation of Zimbabwe and we have complete change. He inspired a lot, he inspired many, encouraged many, and is still part of the struggle. He's a man who even refused to take a car from Southerners for the sake of the struggle. So just imagine that you are not driving, you are moving around to rallies by bus. You are poor, but somebody comes and say, okay, I'm giving you this car. I just want you to denounce Nelson Chamisa and support ZANU publicly. And the man says, no, he's one of a kind. Some of us, some amongst us, would have taken this opportunity to dump the opposition and join the ranks and files of ZANU PF, but he chose to remain with the people. And on this day, I honor Madzibaba Veshanduko. May the Lord protect him, guide him up to the new Great Zimbabwe.